Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bonk Update today. So last time I showed you one bear flag and we went to the downside, made the flag here, and the technical target for that flag is still yet to be met. So we're looking for almost nearly a 2992. Previously we came a little bit lower, which was 3066, but now you still have a target pending all the way down to 3000. What I want to mark as important on the daily time frame is that, again, this to me here is where you really can actually come down to. I'm going to tell you this is going to be a price of 2828. Now, reason is simple: inverse head and shoulder and your neckline. So your neckline is going to act as a very big support moving forward. And that's all I can only say about the retracement of this coin at the moment, because again, when you broke above here, you never really retested, and this is just a concept of, I always say this on the channel, a dirty retest. So dirty retest is, as the name suggests, it's a dirty retest. The clean retest is that when you broke here, right? If I zoom in here, I'm just gonna try to make sense out of this. So when you had this one closing, the first, very first candle that broke above this neckline over here, the clean retest says that the next candle you should have come down and retested and then go up to that technical target all the way up to 4408. And even before we broke up here, I remember telling you, trade with the banking system down here, because you never know if you're going to break and retest or not, right? The bank do not really care about retest. They care about the pattern itself. We knew about the pattern here and we knew this is a right shoulder, so why not buy here? Because buy at the pattern, the expectation is that we're going to go up, and it actually worked out very well. And I also told you that the reason why we buy early is because we never know if you're going to break and retest, and they're going to give you a chance to enter at the retest, right? It never worked. Now after the clean retest didn't happen, and then you go all the way up to the technical target, you come down and you retest, which results into a dirty retest as well. And that's all for this update on Bonk. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.